Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa, and if you're interested in this tutorial, then just keep on watching. I'm using for this tutorial is the Let's Do Makeup and LiveGlam collab, and I started with the color Cake all over the crease. I grabbed the color Kangaroo, which I think this is my favorite shade from the palette. It's a true light brown, and I applied that in the crease as well. To deepen up the crease, I went ahead and used the color 915 and applied that on the outer corner of the eye. This color was a little bit hard to blend, so I went in with a smaller brush and just kept blending it to my liking. My Infallible Full Work Concealer, and I cut my crease using a small detailed brush. Remember to take your time when you're cutting your crease, and remember to pat in the concealer, that way the shadow sticks perfectly to the concealer. I grabbed the color Kangaroo next, and I went ahead and blended the concealer in with the outer corner of the eye. Next, I grabbed the color Kangaroo and Wrong O, and I went ahead and dragged that across the lower lash line, kind of similar to the way you do a liner. For the eyelid, I went ahead and grabbed the color Hello and patted that in using a flat brush. I grabbed the color Wrong O once again, and I used that to blend out the outer corner of the eye. Next, I went ahead and applied mascara using my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara, and then I applied my Benevento Beauty lashes in the style Angel with some tweezers. To add a pop of color to this look, I grabbed the LA Girl Blue Liner, and I dragged this on the lower lash line. Make sure that blue stays. I went ahead and dragged the color What Do You Mean from Les's palette and dragged that on the lower lash line as well as the waterline. Added mascara to my bottom lashes. And for the final step, I went ahead and grabbed a Hello and highlighted the inner corner of the eye. That's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Thanks for watching.